Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to set up our bamboo sliding storage drawer set. Easiest way is to make sure to follow the manual over here, which is included in your box. So we're just going to be following this and then we're going to set it up and show you how it looks. Okay, so we're starting off with the screws, which are clearly marked with A, B, and C. First thing we'll do is take the B shelf, and then it says that we need to take the A screws and then screw in the 2D on the sides here at the bottom. Okay, so now we're gonna go down to the other side and I'm just gonna place the screw. Do exactly the same. Make sure to really tighten it. Okay, so shelf C will be going to right here at the top, and then we're also just going to screw that. Make sure that it is facing the right side up, and then you're going to take an A screw, place it through here, and then just tighten it like we did with the other ones. Taking an A screw, placing it right over here, just make sure that it aligns. Okay, so now we're taking our A shelf and we're basically doing exactly the same thing on the other side. Going to place it down like that. I'll be connecting the top part first, placing in my screw over here. Taking my other A screw, and then we're going to go to the bottom over here. So coming down to the bottom, we'll do the top part first. And then the bottom part over here. Okay, so we're going to be taking this piece, it's the F piece, and then it has the E side as well. And then you're going to be placing it here at the back. You'll see at the front it doesn't have these screw holes, so you'll be placing it like that. And then you'll be using your C and B screws just to fasten it. And then just fastening it like that. And we'll do this on all four sides. So at the bottom, we'll just press it down with one hand and then screw with the other hand to make sure that it doesn't move around. There we go. And then last part over here. Okay. Now that that is fastened, we can turn it back to the front. Okay, so we're gonna take our baskets, make sure that the hole is in the front, facing towards you, and then we're going to insert it by putting it on top of the slides. Make sure that the front is facing towards you. Just like that. Okay guys, so this is our bamboo sliding drawer organizer. It's available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.